Hey guys, this is Keiron Hogg, KeironHogg.com, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a 3D box like this and how we can make it have a graphic that can wrap around the side and the front like so. So it's going to kind of look like this, you guys. By the way, if you want this template, if you want to save yourself some time and some headache, it is down in my description below. It'll be a PSD file, so you can just click on that and you can play around with it. But if you want to learn how to do it yourself, you can check out my video up in the top corner that shows you step by step how you can do this all from scratch. Okay, so here we go. What I want to do first, I'm just going to add a layer, and I'm going to call this graphic. Now, go to filter, vanishing point like so. I'm just going to zoom in. And what we want to do, we want to click on here.
Okay. Click there, go to the end of the box. Click there.
Now it is red, so we need to just play around with it till we get it blue. Just move it around. There we go. That's good. Zoom out a wee bit. And then this middle node right here, we want to Control Alt, left click, and just drag it over. Like so. And then we can just left click, drag that down. And this one as well. Okay, it's looking good. So we can click OK. Great. Now we want to get our graphic. So for this example, this is my graphic. Select A to just get the marching ants all around it. Select all, copy it. Go back to our box, filter, vanishing point. We can paste it in here, and we can play around with the size of it. Like so. Make it narrower, whatever you want. Alright, so I just want it around like that, and right around there is fine. Enter. Oops. And there we go. Now what I want to do, that is basically the main point that I want to make in this Photoshop tutorial, how you can do that. But if you want to keep learning how to put some colors on it, put a logo, some text and all that, then you can keep watching. So what I want to do now is do the front. So here's the front. I want to right click, edit contents. Yes. Right, so it's kind of blank. Now there is a shadow that I've added here. And I want to put I want to put a blackish gray monochromatic front that I made. So again, I want to Control A, Control copy, and paste. Like so. I want to save that. And I also want to add the logo. If you have a logo of any kind, you can add that, or any image that you want. So this particular one is called Testorama. Again, Control A, Control copy. There's what it's looking like so far. This is a product that I'm launching with a couple of friends, a couple partners. Control T, it's too big. That will just teach anyone how to make money online. Doesn't matter what your skill set is. So this is just going to be the box for that, and make that a bit smaller. Like so, center that, enter. All right, Control save. And if you want to just have some text, you can add that in there too. New layer. I'll just call, so that'll be called logo. This will just be called title. I'm just going to call it Testorama. Okay, so you can see it's all skewed to one side. So that's easy enough. Click off it, click back on, Control T to highlight it, and we can move it around. We can center it. We can make it bigger, smaller, play around with the dimensions like so. This is just a quick tutorial. And what I want to do as well, you guys, is, so I'll hit enter, I want to add some depth to this. So I want to right click, blending options, drop shadow. Then double click on drop shadow. And you can play around with the angle of the drop shadow like so. I'm just gonna, you guys can do this more on your own time, but I'm gonna increase that slightly. 14, spread a little bit more, and the size just a wee bit more, like so. Okay, Control save, and I'm gonna do it to the logo as well. So I want to right click, blending options, drop shadow, double click, and again, everything, the angle is the same, that's fine. I'm just gonna make this the same number roughly, and I'm doing this quickly for you guys, so the number might not be exact, but you'll get the idea. All right, looking good. Okay, Control save. Let's take a look. Oops. That's looking great. Now we can do the side. Now side, right click, edit contents, yes. And we're just gonna grab the same box like so, copy, paste. And we want the logo again, Control A, Control copy, there it is, Control V. Now it's so big, so we need to scale it down, Control T, and just drag, click and drag, like so. That's a little tall, and center that. All right, Control save. Now look at that, guys. Oh, I forgot one thing. We want to
Drop shadow back. So right click, blending options, drop shadow, double click. Make it a little bigger. Like so.
Control save. And again, guys, you could put a barcode here. You could do whatever. You could have some text on the side. You could rotate it, whatever you wanted. But I just wanted to show you how to basically add this graphic here. And then I just showed you some extra quick little tidbits here. But if you do want this box, it's going to look like so. So I've got the shadow down below. I've got the line here, and it's just dark enough to be able to see it. If you have different colors on here, I've got the shadow here. That's all for free, guys, just to help you out. It'll be down in the description. If you got value, please like. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll try to help you out. And keep your eyes open for Testorama. It's going to help you or help anyone, doesn't matter tech skills or not, how to make money online. All right, my friends, hope you got value. Talk to you soon. Take care.